What if I told you that manifesting your dreams isn't just wishful thinking? It's actually backed by neuroscience. Yes, your brain has the power to turn imagination into reality. Today, let's break down how you can use neuroscience to manifest your desires and achieve your goals. We've all heard the phrase, if you can dream it, you can do it. But here's the science part. Your brain can't actually tell the difference between a vividly imagined experience and a real one. That's why athletes visualize winning before stepping into the field. And guess what? You can use the same trick for your own dreams. Inside your brain, there's something called the reticular activating system, or RAS. Think of it like a filter. It decides what information is important and what isn't. When you set a clear intention, like buying a car or starting a business, your RAS starts spotting opportunities related to it everywhere. That's why suddenly, when you think of a red car, you start seeing red cars all around. Here's the cool part. When you visualize your goal, your brain activates the same neural pathways as if you were actually doing it. That means visualizing isn't daydreaming, it's brain training. The more you rehearse success in your mind, the more natural it feels when the real moment comes. But visualization alone isn't enough. Your brain needs emotion and action. When you feel your dream deeply, like the joy of holding that award or walking into your dream home, you're wiring your brain to believe it's possible. And once you believe it, you naturally start taking action. Emotion plus action equals sign manifestation. Let's try this right now. Close your eyes for 20 seconds. Imagine one dream. Make it vivid. What does it look like? What does it feel like? Who's around you? Now open your eyes. That little spark you just felt, that's your brain beginning to rewire itself. So remember this, manifestation isn't magic, it's neuroscience. By focusing your mind, engaging your emotions and taking action, you're literally training your brain to spot opportunities and turn dreams into reality. If you found this eye-opening, hit that like button, share this with someone who needs a boost, and subscribe for more science-backed mindset hacks. Your dreams are closer than you think. The science is already on your side.